The cloud that forgot to rain. Once upon a time, high above the green valleys and golden fields, there lived a small, fluffy cloud named Kumo. Kumo was a young cloud, bright and white like cotton candy, who loved floating across the sky with his cloud friends. All clouds had an important job to bring rain to the earth when it was needed. Rain helped flowers bloom, rivers flow, and animals and people thrive. Kumo had trained for his first rain for weeks, learning how to gather water droplets, how to rumble like thunder, and how to release a gentle or heavy shower, depending on what the earth below needed. The day of his first rain finally arrived. The wind carried him over a small village surrounded by dry fields and dropping sunflowers. The earth below looked up, waiting. The animals stopped and stared. The children pointed at Kumu and cheered. Look, a cloud! Rain is coming! Kumu puffed up proudly, ready to do his job. He took a deep breath and nothing happened. No drizzle, no drops, not even a sprinkle. He had forgotten how to rain. Kumo floated nervously in circles. Come on, come on, he muttered to himself. He squeezed, he shook, he even tried to thunder, but all he managed was a tiny puff of mist. Down below, the villagers sighed and went back inside. The flowers dropped further. The animals looked thirsty. Kumo felt terrible. He drifted away to hide behind a mountain, his fluff sagging with shame. I messed up. Maybe I am just a useless cloud, he whispered. Just then, a wise old rain cloud named Nimbus floated over. Why the long faced little puff? Kumo explained everything. Nimbus chuckled kindly. It's okay to forget, little one. Rain isn't just about technique, it's about listening to the earth. You were so nervous you forgot to feel. Feel? Asked Kumo. Yes, said Nimbus. Look below. Feel the thirst of the trees, the cries of the swallow, the songs of the flowers waiting to bloom. Let their need guide you. Kumo closed his eyes and floated quietly. He felt the warmth of the dry land. he heard the whispers of wilted leaves. He sensed the hope in the hearts below, and slowly he began to rain. Soft, sweet drops fell from his belly. The fields drank eagerly. The flowers lifted their heads. The villagers ran out and danced with joy. Even the animals cheered in their own way. Kiyomo beamed as the sun peeked through his droplets, forming a tiny rainbow he had remembered. From that day on, whenever a cloud forgot how to rain, Kiyomo was the first to float over and say with a smile, "Don't worry, just feel." So, moral of the story is sometimes doing something right isn't just about knowledge, it's about listening, feeling, and understanding the needs of others.